Hello children. In front of your mobile screen, you can see the cover page of Class 8 Geography book. And you can also read Social Science, Resources and Development. So this is how your cover page or front page of Class 8 Geography book looks like. Either you can borrow it from your senior brothers and sisters, or you can download it from Google Play Store. You have to download the app ePathshala, and from there and from ePathshala you can download this book. The name of the first chapter of the Class 8 Geography book is Resources, and today we shall discuss about resources. Now, what can you see in front of your screen? Well, the answer is smartphone. Now, what use do these mobiles have? Earlierly or previously, before the lockdown, it was basically used for communication purpose, for contacting friends and relatives. And sometimes it was also used for entertainment purposes. You used to watch videos from YouTube, and you used to listen music from Ghana or Spotify apps, and also used to play games like PUBG. But today, during this coronavirus lockdown, we are also using it for educational purpose. We are also using it for learning so many things. Now, let me ask you quickly two short questions. Question number 1. Do they have a utility? Do they have a usefulness? ଏମାନଙ୍କର କିଛି ବ୍ୟବହାର ଅଛି କି? Yes, I think I have told you the answer. Now, is it free or does it cost something? এটা ମାଗଣାରେ ମିଳେ ନା କିଛି ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଅଛି ୟାର? Yes, it has a value, and its value depends upon the features of the smartphone. How fast it is, what's the size of the screen, what's the brand of this mobile. So accordingly the price varies, or the value of this mobile differs. Now what's this in front of your screen? Now this is your telecom tower. Without this, your mobile phone will not receive any signals and it will be useless, right? And even if you have a mobile or a smartphone and telecom towers, you also need 4G, 3G or 2G, and in India 5G has not yet been launched. So we need this signal, 4G signal, 3G signal or 2G signal. So whether it is for entertainment or whether it is for education, you can say the resources that you need for entertainment or for education, they are your smartphone, your telecom towers, and 4G or 3G or 2G signals. Now, am I missing something? Yes, you also need electricity for that. Otherwise, how are you gonna charge your mobiles? So, either for education or for entertainment, these are our resources: 4G tower, mobile towers, smartphones. And all these have a value, and all these things or objects have a usefulness. Now let us go to a classroom situation. In classroom, what are the resources of the classroom? Right? Now, I need a blackboard, right? And you also need this blackboard. Monitors also need this blackboard for maintaining discipline. Now, all teachers need chalks, right? Now, is this blackboard for free? No. The blackboard has a price. The blackboard has a value. Now what is the function or what is the use of blackboard? We use it, we write on this blackboard, right? Now chalks, is it for free? Is it valueless? No, it has some value and we use it to write on the blackboard. And this bench and chair, these are the things that you sit upon. And are these chairs and tables valueless? Do not they do they cost something or not? I mean, yes, it has a cost price, it has a price, it has a value. So in a classroom, the resources, you can say the resources are your blackboard, your bench and table, and chalk, your duster, and electricity, fans, and students and the teachers, right? So all these things are resources inside a classroom, because all these things have a function and all these things have a value. प्रत्येक क्लास ए सब जिनस मानकर किछि व्यवहार भी अछि और किछि आर मूल्य भी अछि आ ए सब रिसोर्स आम मन को क्लासरूम भितर दरकार पड़ी थाए. Now you know this is corona time. Now what are the resources you need to protect yourself from getting infected because of the coronavirus? You need a mask. You need a mask. So mask, the function or the usefulness of the mask is it prevents the, and so anytime you sneeze or anytime you cough, the droplets, right, it prevents it from getting dispersed. खेले ही कि जो छिंकुच छिंकड़ा पूरा खेले ही पड़ी था एटा को कौन करे, it helps to prevent. So it prevents from spreading of that virus because of the droplets. So you need a mask, and mask has a function, so also it has a value. Now you need a soap. You need to wash it. You need to wash your hands for 20 seconds. And this soap is not free. It has a value. That means it has a price, and you know the function also. Now hand sanitizer, it again kills the virus in your hand and it has a price. So let us come to the definition of resources. Resources को ओडिया रे संबल बोली भी कुहंती. Now anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Anything that can be used to satisfy or to fulfill a need, जे कौनसी वस्तु जोटा कि आमर किछि दरकार को मेंटेन थाए ताको हमें रिसोर्स बोली कहि थाउ. Anything that can be used to satisfy or fulfill our need is a resource. Now these are the two characteristics of resources. First, all resources have utility or usefulness or व्यवहार योग्यता. We saw that in our classroom situation. We discussed whether it's a mobile phone or a smartphone, whether it is your chalk, whether it is your duster, whether it is your blackboard, whether it is your soap, all these have a usefulness. Secondly, all resources have a value. See, most of these things, you have to pay for it. It's not free of cost. So let us revise it again. So what are resources? What is the definition of resources? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource, and all resources have utility, and secondly all resources have a value. That's all. Thank you for your